What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Honda Mods. Check this out, 2021 2.0 Honda Accord. He's showing off with his taillights already. This is a V1 taillights.
Wow.
It's the animation right there. He's got the reflectors in the bottom. I love those reflectors because I feel like the Accord ones here, when it says Accord, it kind of takes off like literally half of these. So when you're giving a left signal, the animation is barely like going through. But I like these a lot more than the other ones. Smoked out as well. This is also smoked out. This is great. Check it out. Close view.
And there's no engine in the front.
No more animation? There you go. Nice. So you guys were saying about, you know, Fitment and all that kind of stuff. So yes, that's the rear spoiler I got on. And it does fit the 2021. So perfect fit. See? Bottom view fits perfectly nice. And same thing with the tail lights from the previous Accords. They will fit. The bumper reflectors, they'll fit. The JDM emblems right there, they will fit as well. And the same thing, the side skirts that pop out on the side, the rear ones, they fit as well. The quad tips he got on, well, it's welded on over there. So he cut off the original, you know, tips from the upper corner. It came off, and then he welded those on. Yo, what the diffuser are?
What?
Diffuser.
Yofer.
Yofer's V2, right? This is Yofer's, I think, diffuser. I'm not too sure, but it's on High Rev Motorsports, I would say. It's on eBay. It's a lot cheaper. Same quality, honestly. So, right there. Search that up, and you'll find it. And then, all right, going around. So the emblems, yes, they fit the same thing, same size. And you open up the trunk real quick. Do it. I want to see that. I'm steady there, bro. Come on. Yo, that thing is funny, man. All right, fine. Anyway, continuing. If you got any questions on the Accord as I go through, make sure you guys follow him on his IG right there and DM him. So it's Kites_. And yeah, that's it. So we'll go ahead over here with his wheels he just got. They're 19s. These are 19-inch wheels he got. In the back, he got the caliper covers. They run about 200 for all four sides. And they clip on. How do they clip on? Some kind of screw, magnet?
Clip it on and you screw it on.
So they clip it on, and then you got to take the wheel out, right? To do it? Yeah, so you take the wheel out and then clip it on and screw it. It sticks really good. And no issues, right? When you're going like high miles per hour, 60, 70, 80. They don't fly off. All right, that's good. So there you have it. If you want, do it.
The niche SN M147.
Okie doke. What was that whole, what you just said?
This is the name of the rim.
Oh, I thought I was talking about the caliper covers right now, bro. Yeah, so go to the rims. Right here.
Niche SN M147.
Niche SN M147. That's what it is. They look pretty dope. I like the spokes on them. The spacing between them stands out with the caliper covers and everything like that. And if you're talking about the tire size, that's what it is. 235 by 40 R19s. These are the stock tires that transfer from the OEM wheels he had, the sport wheels. So he just transferred that. And yeah, so the covers, the handle covers, they'll fit as well if you have them on a previous one. Same thing with the louvers. You guys were asking me a question on that. So there you have it. Make sure you guys drop a like, and also if you haven't subscribed yet, you're watching my video, please subscribe. That helps me out a lot on the long run. And he has this roof spoiler. See, it does same thing, same fitment. You don't have to look for a special one or wait on a new one, stuff like that. And what's crazy is that this roof wrap, we did it ourselves. So we did it ourselves, all right? So it's pretty easy. It's pretty nice. It looks good. There's a video on that, actually some tips and tricks on how to do it. It does take practice and stuff like that. So I don't want to skip the other side right now real quick. And these are, change them? Stock, right? So they actually came stock. And the fin is also stock. So the fin is also stock, already black, gloss black, by the way, forgot to mention. And well, keyless entry. Key's not near me. But that's what he does inside. I'll sit real quick in there. So, yeah, he's got the paddle shifter extenders right here. The badges right here, JDM. He put the carbon fiber delete, you know, on the trim all around, right there, and also right here. And he's waiting on a piece over here because before he had a different one, and now he got to switch it, different fitment. You see it on the steering wheel as well, right here as well, and then this as well. So that's that. And he's got his what is that, Nexar?
Nexar, yeah.
Yes, that is Nexar. It's nice, huh?
Yeah.
So that's his Nexar. That's what he uses, dash cam. And it's got his lights swapped up from last fit. Awesome. Has moonroof, he's chilling. Alright, so and actually damn bro, you're rich. You're rich. He's rich.
Wait, what? Oh, the wallet?
Yeah. So this is, I actually like this. I'm gonna show him real quick.
What?
The storage thing right here that fits into the cord. What do they call it? Armrest, under the armrest area. So this is storage thing. It's on Amazon actually. It's pretty cool. And if you have any wire or anything like that, it would go under it, so you would hide it. You see that? And whatever you need will pop right out. So I'll put the link in the description below for this. So that's that. Put his money back.
The back has AC.
Oh yeah, in the back. So in the back he's got. So we got the AC in the back, USB ports. Nice. You can turn them on and off, and you can change them to which side you want them on.
Inserts.
Pretty awesome. And he got his cute inserts. Give it a nice accent, you know, the red around it. Same thing here. Then let's go outside real quick. Since you guys have so many questions, the window visors, they do fit, same size, guys. Don't stress it out on Fitment and stuff like that. The only thing you guys have to worry about is what I'm going to tell you right now. So the only thing you have to worry about on this 2021 Accord is don't buy any front lips because they don't have any. None of them will fit. So don't buy any front lips trying to fit them up. It's going to look bad. It's going to have so much space in the middle. People are actually waiting on an actual front lip that's fitted. More design so they could choose one from. I think Yofer's coming out. Yofer and S Factor, did they come out with it yet?
Yeah, Yofer's like 280.
Yeah, Yofer's like 280 to 300, and S Factor's 250. Actually, the design is out already?
Yeah, it's
Not yet. It's out?
Yeah, Yofer's expired.
So, okay, so Yofer, you can, what about the S Factor? So S Factor and Yofers, they do have a lip. So S Factor is usually just like a flat splitter underneath. And the Yofers has one too. They're also out now.
Same thing, but just
So Yofer's like that, right? That's what Yofer's like. But it's just fitted on. It's fitted on this, yeah. And also, he does the 50% tint on the head. 35. My bad. I keep talking about the 50 because last time we did 50. That's why. But 35. Nothing on the fog lights, just like that. And now speaking about, if you guys probably commenting me, asking me what is this, that's like screw. It covers the screw so it doesn't look bad. But you can also put, you know, magnet here like I showed in previous videos, like to if you search up Honda mods 2018 and 2021 Honda Accord Sport mods under $20 on Amazon, then that video will pop out and you'll see the magnets that I got to put up my front plate on, stick it on there, because I don't put my front plate on at any time, only when I'm parked at a municipal parking lot, so I get a ticket. And then also for this, you would see, like for myself, for the 18, 19, and 20, you would have a cover, gloss black, carbon fiber style, you name it, or you could just do pre-cut vinyl, or you can make your own vinyl. But for 2021, they don't fit. Because this is, for some reason, it's like wider, like half by half an inch. It's wider, so it doesn't fit. So you have to. The only option you have is put vinyl. So gloss black vinyl. That's what he did for the front chrome delete. This vinyl. Same thing with here. It's vinyl. So that's why it doesn't have any chrome in the front. It's all vinyl. And then going into the engine bay, right there, he's got the engine cover. It's pretty dope. Looks good. He also did the upper torque mount. So less engine, well, not even less, like a lot less engine reflexes, all that stuff. So if he's modifying it all like that, he won't feel that reflexes when he's taking off or wheel spin. His turbo is right there. Nice. So his setup, you guys are gonna be asking what he got. So you got a K&N intake, right? K&N intake. This whole thing's K&N intake, the whole set. And he had a PRL hose intake before, but since he took it off, he just cut this PRL intake hose in, like, he cut it like into this much piece, right?
So he went from here to here.
Yeah, the original
I
one
just
went
had
from
the
here
filter.
to. So since he got this,
Precisely cut it.
so he cut it.
together.
So he connected these two. This piece will come with the K&N. These
Yeah.
two clamps and this thing, this rubber piece to connect it. So he just cut off this piece. You don't need to get a PRL intake hose.
Yeah, you don't have to.
You don't have to,
You could use
but
the stock one. But
right.
I didn't want the stock one.
But
I already had the
he already had this, so that's why he actually cut it. So if you have a stock one, it's fine. If you just get this, you could connect it to your stock hose. Perfectly fine, but he already had this before, so might as well, you know, use that instead of the stock one. Looks nicer. It's cool. And if you guys want to hear it, we'll do like 2 revs, and then we'll do another rev to hear from the front to see how the K&N intake sounds like. So we'll go hear the intake sound. He has a what, muffler and resonator delete right now. So we hear that. And now this is muffler, resonator delete in the back. Check this out. It pops. Oh yeah. That is nice. Oh, I like that. I just saw those right there. The pads, the brake pads and the pedals. The pedal, yeah, the accelerator, the, what is it called, man? The gas pedal, gas and brake. They're also on Amazon for like $20, right?
I think,
Yeah, they're like 20 or 25 bucks, but those are pretty cool. Put the link in the description below for those. They're awesome. You could choose blue, I think, as well.
Red, yeah.
Red, but I really like the red. So yeah, guys, that's it. Make sure you drop a like. And what kind of radar are you using?
Uniden R3.
Uniden?
R3.
What's it called?
R3.
R3, you did it, all right?
I'm out, man.
All right,
I'll
bro.
see you.
Peace out. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on all notifications. And I hope this video was helpful. Comment below if any questions. Also DM him on his IG. He'll be happy to help you guys out. I appreciate the support. And this video came out pretty dope, in my opinion. All right, guys. Honda mods all the way. Peace out.